Inspired by the newest entry of the hit series of video games, Pokemon, this super spicy mushroom medley curry is great for everyone, and I'll show you how it's made starting now. To begin, I used my rice cooker to cook some basmati rice. To do so, I mixed together 2 cups of water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 bay leaf, and 1 cup of rice. If you don't have a rice cooker, follow the stovetop directions on the package, adding in some turmeric and a bay leaf for extra color and flavor. With that out of the way, let's take a look at what we need for the curry. 8 ounces of mushrooms, sliced. I used 3 different variety of mushrooms, but you can use any fresh mushroom that you like. 1 medium yellow onion that's been small diced. This is about 2 cups. 1 can or 15 ounces of tomato sauce. For some, this might be too much tomato sauce in a curry and you can cut this in half. It just won't take as much time to reduce. 1 cup of bell pepper cut into julienne. In some Indian recipes, this is also called a capsicum. 1 to 2 green chilies split in half. This is very optional as this dish is spicy, and if you don't like spicy food, don't add the chili powders or the green chili. For you, I would suggest adding in a little more cumin because it is a little more spice friendly. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of the following: mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and ground coriander, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala, this can be found in your spice aisle, 1/2 teaspoon of the following: cayenne pepper, again optional, chili powder, turmeric, and black pepper, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 tablespoon of ginger, minced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 2 tablespoons of each cashews, roughly crushed, and fresh cilantro that's been minced, plus a little extra for garnish. In the new Pokemon game, curries are cooked at campsites, and they help level up your pocket monsters as well as make them more friendly towards you. You can cook your curry inside, but I thought it would be best if I took this outdoors. Here's how I made my curry. Heat olive oil in a large sauté pan over high heat. Once hot, add in mustard seeds and allow them to pop. Add the cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, cloves, bay leaf, and cashews, and then stir to coat in the hot oil. Add in onions and reduce heat to medium. Cook onions stirring until lightly golden. Season with a pinch of salt. Stir in garlic and ginger to incorporate it with the onions. Cook this stirring for an additional 2 minutes. Next, add in the spices. Add in coriander, cayenne pepper, chili powder, garam masala, black pepper, turmeric, and chickpea flour. Roast the spices by cooking and stirring for 2 minutes. Stirring continuously, add in the coconut milk. Continue to stir and cook for an additional 2 minutes. After that, add in the fresh minced cilantro and tomato sauce. Bring this to a simmer. Add in the mushrooms, bell pepper, and green chilies. Allow this to simmer for 5 to 6 minutes until the liquid has reduced. Serve next to rice and garnish with some fresh cilantro. Your spicy mushroom medley curry is here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Eric. I'm a certified culinarian and I make nerdy vegetarian lifestyle content as well as vegan and gluten-free videos. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a future recipe. Our cooking adventure doesn't have to stop here. If you'd like to check out how I made a vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free turkey alternative, click the video on the screen. I'll also put it in the description for you. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.